Guys, welcome to fun session with Winning Honor. Today we're looking at odd numbers and then even numbers, but then we'll start with our odd numbers. So we're going to take it again in form song. Odd numbers end with 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. Odd numbers end with 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. Odd numbers end with 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. Odd numbers end with 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. Now, any number you see that actually ends with 1 or 3, 5, 7, or 9 is an odd number. So let's find out here. We are told here to identify the odd numbers. So we have here 2020. We want to look at the last number, this one here. Is this an odd number? Of course, this is 0. There is no 0 amongst it, so this is not an odd number. We are not going to identify this. We are not going to circle it, okay? Because it ends with 0. Now, let's look at this. This one ends with 1, right? It ends with 1. And here we have 1 as an odd number. So 21 is an odd number because it ends with 1. Now, what about this 22? Is 22 an odd number? Remember, it ends with 2. 2 is not an odd number, so we're not going to circle this. Now, look at this 23. What does it end with? It ends with 3, right? And 3 is an odd number, so we're going to circle the whole of 23. Now, this is 2, 4, 24. This ends with 4. 4 is not an odd number, it's an even number. So we're not going to circle 24 because it ends with 4. But here we have 25. It ends with 5. 5 is an odd number, so 25 is an odd number. Now, 3, 7, 37. Look, this one ends with 7. 7, right? And 7 is an odd number, so the whole of 37 is an odd number. Now, 38, it ends with what? With 8. It ends with what? With 8. So 8 is not an odd number. So we're not going to circle this. But look at this. 39 ends with what? Can you guess? It ends with 9. 9 is an odd number. So the whole of 39 is an odd number. What about this one? 40, 40. It ends with 0. Don't circle it. It's not an odd number. Why? It ends with 0 and there is no 0 amongst these things here. So here we have 1, 41. 41 ends with 1. 1 is an odd number. So we're going to circle the whole of 41, right? Now look at this 42. 2 is not an odd number, so don't circle this. So our odd numbers must end with 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9.